Gender issues in sport. Gender issues are extremely prevalent in the sports industry, and nowhere do we see them more than in football. According to The Guardian, there has been an almost 400% increase in the number of reports in sex discrimination and harassment incidents received by women in football, with alleged abuse on social media accounting for the biggest leap. This clearly highlights to us the severity of sexism in football that women players must endure in order to play the game they love. Out of this discrimination, stereotypes and prejudice are born. Here are numerous stereotypes surrounding women's football. They mainly stay along the lines that women shouldn't or can't play football, as it's a man's sport. These false beliefs can be tied back to how some people still believe women should stay at home, cooking, cleaning, and looking after children. But these misconceptions are misguided and stuck in the past, no longer reflecting the society in any way. In modern day, women can be anything they want, including a football player. Lack of support for female football players. It is clear that there is a skill gap between female and male footballers. This can be expected due to the fact that male professional players have been supported for years longer than female players, with more money, equipment, and coaches, which enable them to push their performance to higher levels than ever before. Whereas females received a lack of support, with most Premier League players earning less than 18 grand a year, forcing female players into a second job, which will take energy away from their training and performance, stunting their growth as a professional player. Solutions for gender issues. To tackle these issues, the gender discrimination, we must fight them at the grassroots. If we want any chance of a world where men and women can be equal, we must teach and show the children of the next generation that we should all have the same opportunities, no matter gender. This can be done through mixed classes where everyone plays in the same sport together to show the children there is no difference between us. We could infer this would be effective because in primary school all children are in mixed classes and they know no different. It is normal to them for girls and boys to play together. But in secondary, genders usually begin to become separated, alienating the two genders, opening these children up to stereotypes, as they are not constantly exposed to each other, making them more susceptible to stereotypes and prejudices. This is because no child is born with stereotypes or prejudices. They are something society forces upon us, so we must challenge them at every given chance to show the world that they are incorrect.